Some exciting changes coming to Shotcut. There's a beta release which is version 22.04, and these are some of the changes. The first two things I want to mention is performance changes, which is under the hood. One is Qt6 and the other one is GPU effects. If you're not interested in what's going on under the hood, that's okay. Just note that these two changes will enhance the performance of Shotcut for your editing. I'm sure you'll be most interested in these few other items. Number one is motion tracking. Motion tracking has come to Shotcut. These are the filters that you can use with the motion tracking, which is corner pin, mask simple shape, size, position and rotate, as well as the size and position filter. More will come in the future. I've tested the motion tracking filter and I am pretty happy with this. You can have text that follows a person as well as masking as well. You no longer need to keyframe this manually, and in some cases using it frame by frame. By just using the motion tracker, it will save you so much time. Another feature worth mentioning is mask simple shape. Now you can use the window to control the mask. You no longer have to control the size and the position of the window using the menu on the left, which is a little bit more hassle. There are also two other filters, which is the speed forward and reverse, which is supposed to be easier to use than the time remap filter. There are a bunch of other improvements as well. Do check out on the Shotcut blog. However, there are some drawbacks and limitations. First is the theme. The dark theme is no longer a choice. It will follow your system. So if your system is on the dark theme, the user interface in Shotcut will follow that as well. Next is the minimum version of Windows, which is Windows 10. If you are using older versions of Windows, you will need to use version 22.12 of Shotcut. You won't be able to use this latest version. I hope that this video has helped you. If you haven't tried this beta version of Shotcut, do give it a shot. Do install this version on a separate directory if you have crucial projects that you need to deliver using Shotcut. As this is a beta version, there could be some bugs and performance issues. This is James. I'll see you in the next video.